Hi guys, this is Tasmia. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Like you can see in this video, I'll be sharing a few tips and tricks on how you can drape your Banarsi silk sari in a very easy way. Also, I will be sharing with you a unique draping style. What excites me most is this Banarsi silk sari is my mom's wedding sari. I aspire to wear it someday. I'm wearing it right now, but maybe on some occasion again. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below which one is your favorite style of sari. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Here I'm using an embroidered blouse which has embroidery on the back and on the sleeves. Now for the petticoat, I did not have an exact matching underskirt or petticoat, so I'm using the almost matching one. Before you start draping your sari, never forget to wear your heels or footwear. Now let's start the drape. On the non-pallu end of the sari, at the topmost, tie a knot which will be tucked inside the waist. This will help the sari to be secure. Tucking the sari right next to the navel, wrap the sari around the waist once. Taking the pallu end, wrap the sari once again and place the pallu on the left side of the shoulder. Here you can analyze the length of the pallu you want. Always keep the length of the pallu longer than the knee. It makes the wearer look taller. Once we have figured out the desired length of the pallu, come back to the pleats. Taking about 2 inches length, make the lower pleats. Secure the pleats together with a safety pin. Secure with a safety pin on the waist where the pleats end and the pallu begins. Arrange the pleats so that they are uniform and then tuck it right below the navel. Now this step might require help. Arrange all the pleats together at the bottom and rotate in clockwise direction. This will help to keep the pleats uniform from top to bottom. Take the pallu and place it on the left side of the shoulder. Secure it with a pin to complete the drape. Now for those of you who want a modern twist to the sari, here's the second style. Take the pallu end of the sari, keeping the topmost end of the pallu as reference, make pleats from the vertical end to the horizontal end, having the topmost end as the taper. Secure these pleats with a safety pin. Place the pallu on the left side of the shoulder. Arrange the pleats. Now if you can see, a length of the sari is left on the side of the waist. So we will be making around 2 to 3 pleats and tuck it in on the side of the waist. I hope you found the tips helpful, and also do let me know by commenting down below if you like this unique draping style. On me, I styled the sari by pairing it with heavy kundan jhumkas, my favorite golden bangles, and floral hair bun. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know by commenting down below what's your style. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye. Take care.